Asteroid Apophis is a near-Earth asteroid that was discovered in 2004. It is about 370 meters, 1,210 feet, in diameter, making it a potentially hazardous asteroid. In 2004, there was a 2.7% chance that Apophis would impact Earth in 2029. However, further observations have ruled out this possibility. There is now a 0% chance of Apophis impacting Earth in the next 100 years. In 2029, Apophis will make a close approach to Earth. It will pass within 19,000 miles, 31,000 kilometers, of our planet, which is closer than most geosynchronous satellites. This will be a rare opportunity to study an asteroid up close. Scientists will use telescopes and radar to learn more about Apophis's composition, structure, and orbit. The close approach of Apophis in 2029 will also be a chance to test our asteroid deflection capabilities. If we were to discover that Apophis was on a collision course with Earth, we would have a few years to mount a deflection mission. This would involve launching a spacecraft to collide with Apophis or to use a gravity tractor to nudge it off course. The close approach of Apophis in 2029 is a reminder that asteroids pose a real threat to Earth. However, it is also a reminder that we have the technology to detect and deflect asteroids that pose a danger.